Basic Introduction of Physics SI Unit by A.S.K.Azad. Nature of Science. The International System of Units. Benchmarks. Use tools and equipment appropriate to scientific investigation. Use metric measurement devices in an investigation. Why do we need to be able to measure things? Why needs? Suppose we want to measure a 2x4 for building a house. Numbers by themselves does not make sense. A board is 350 long. A board is meters long. To make sense, all measurements need both a number and a unit. Estimation. Estimation is using your knowledge of something similar in size or amount to determine the size of the new object. Helps to make a rough measurement to an object. Useful when you are in a hurry and exact numbers are not required. Precision and accuracy. Precision is a description of how close measurements are to each other. Accuracy is comparing your measurement to the actual or accepted value. Why use the SI system? In the US, we use the English or a standard system. Most of the rest of world uses the metric or SI system. The SI International System of Units system is the form of measurement typically used by scientists. Scientists use the SI system worldwide because measurements are easily understood by all scientists. Measurements are easier to convert than the English system. Basic types of measurement. Length measures distance between objects. Volume measures the amount of a space something takes up. Mass measures the amount of matter in an object. Other types of measurement include time, temperature, density, pH. Measurement system comparisons. Measurement English SI system. Length in English system yard or inch. In SI system meter or centimeter. Mass in English ounce or pound. In SI system gram or kilogram. Volume in English quart. In SI system liter. Temperature in English Fahrenheit. In SI system Celsius or Kelvin. Time in English second. In SI system also in second. All measurement systems have a standards. A standards are exact quantities that everyone agrees to use as a basis of comparison. In the English system, you have to remember so many numbers. 12 inches in a foot, 3 feet in a yard, 5280 feet in a mile, 16 ounces in a pound, 4 quarts to a gallon. In the SI system, you only have to remember one number. The SI system is used on the number 10. The SI system uses the following prefix: kilo 1000, hecto 100, deca 10, unit 1, deci 1 by 10, centi 1 by 100, milli 1 by 1000. This system works with any SI measurement. The unit becomes whichever types of measurement you are making: mass, volume or length. It is the same system regardless if you are measuring length, mass or volume. It works for all types of measurement. If you are measuring mass, then it is the gram, centigram, milligram, etc. Length, then it is the meter, kilometer, decameter, etc. Volume, then it is the liter, deciliter, hectoliter, etc. The first part of the term indicates the amount. The second part indicates the type of measurement. Centi, gram. How does converting units work? Unlike the English system, converting in the SI system is very easy. For example, in the English system, if you wanted to know how many inches in 2 miles, what would you do? Take the number of mile 2. Multiply it by the number of feet in a mile, 5280. Multiply that by the number of inches in a foot, 12. Answer: 1,26,720 inches in 2 miles. The SI system is much easier. How? For example, in the metric system, if you wanted to know how many centimeters were in 3 meters, what would you do? Kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi, millimeter. Milli, centi, deci, unit, deca, hecto, kilometer. 3 meters. Find the unit you have, that is meters. Find the unit you are changing to, that is centimeters. Count the numbers of units in between, that is 2. Move the decimal points that many spaces in the same direction you counted, that is right. That is 300 centimeter. 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeters. Moon conversion. milli centi deci unit deca hecto kilo. 2321.0 milliliter 2 meters equal to 2.321 meters. 5 to 1.0 gram to hectometers equal to 5.21 hectograms. 8.5 kilometers to centiliters equal to 8500000 centiliters. Note, the digits are not changing. The position of the decimals is. In the English system, the whole numbers changes. Things to remember. All measurements need a number and a unit. Basic units of measurement is meter, liter, gram. How to convert metric units? Vocabulary words. Nature of science. The international system of units. Basic types of measurements. Length, volume. Length measures distance between objects. Volume measures the amount of a space something takes up. Mass measures the amount of matter in an object. In SI, the basic units are: length is the meter, mass is the gram, volume is the liter for liquid, temperature is Celsius. Metric measurement. Length. Length is the distance between 2 points. Does not matter if it is width, height, depth, etc. All are length measurements. The basic unit of length in the SI system is the meter. The meter is about the length of the English yard, 3 feet. Area is a variation of length measurement. Area is length into width expressed in unit square, that is meter square, centimeter square, millimeter square, etc. Metric measurement. Mass. Mass is a measurement of the amount of matter in an object. Basic unit of mass is the gram. There are 454 grams in 1 pound. Weight and mass are related but not the same. Weight is the pull of gravity on an object. The greater the mass, the greater the pull of gravity. Metric measurement. Volume. Volume is a measurement of the amount of a space something takes up. The basic unit based for volume is the liter. This unit is used for the volumes of liquids. Volume of solids are figured using this formula: length into width into height. Centimeter into centimeter into centimeter equal to centimeter cube. Objects without a definite length, width or height, a rock for example, can use water displacement to determine volume. Note, 1 milliliter equal to 1 centimeter cube. Metric measurement. Temperature. Temperature is a measure of the kinetic energy of the atoms in an object. Temperature is measured with a thermometer and measured in Kelvin or Celsius. Celsius ranges from 0 freezing to 100 boiling. The Kelvin scale begins at absolute 0 or 0 Kelvin. At 0 Kelvin, no more heat can be removed from an object. To convert to Kelvin, you add 273 degrees to the Celsius reading. Freezing in Kelvin is 273 Kelvin. Boiling is 373 Kelvin. Nature of science, the international system of units. Which is heavier, a kilogram of features or a kilogram of lead? Which one takes up more space? Volume. They are both 1 kilogram, so they weigh the same, but it takes more feathers than liquid to equal 1 kilogram. We say the lead is more dense than the feathers. Density. Density is how much matter is in something mass compared to the amount of space it takes up. Volume. The formula for density is mass in gram divided by volume in centimeter cube. So the unit of density is gram per centimeter cube. Every substance has a density, and that density always remains the same. Density can be used to figure out what an unknown substance is. The density of butter is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Measurement review. Measurements need a number and a unit. Basic units of measurement: meter, liter, gram. How to convert metric units? Be able to make basic measurements of volume, length and mass. Definition of density and how to figure it out. Vocabulary words. This is my Telegram, YouTube channels, Facebook pages and Twitter accounts, my blogs, Instagrams details. You can follow me there also. Thank you very much.